Hello, everyone. Hi, welcome. How are you doing today? I see Corey, David. Hi. How's it going? Good to see you. Did I stream last week? No, I wasn't feeling well last week, so I was kind of off. The week before was a really productive stream where we spent most of the time trying to figure out how you all can change my theme in VS Code, and we did figure it out. So it's cool. Now there's a new channel points redemption in there where you can actually do that. And so it's a lot of points because people like Terrence T. Drayson there tends to abuse his authority. It's like 2,500 points or something. But I don't know. Let me know if that's too little or too many points, and I'll maybe reduce it. But the other thing that we can do now is you can do stuff with line. Hey, Wouter TJ 95. Hello. If you would do this line 3. Nope. Let's try line 2. There. You see? It highlighted. No one can read that, Ryan. No one. No one can read that. So if in chat, if you've noticed the typo, which never happens, there's a way to do this now. Clear. How do I do this? Oh, is it remove? Remove all highlights. Yeah. So now if you type line and then hashtag line or hashtag bang line, exclamation point line and a line number, it'll actually highlight it in my code for me. So go ahead and try that if you'd like. If you I'll wait. Yeah. So there's that. And so today we are going to get back into theme stuff. I have decided that I absolutely love the first draft theme that my colleague Justin Tadlock kind of put together, but it's turned into, he builds amazing things, and I love his stuff, but it's more of a building theme. It's more of like a theme starter than like a scaffold of, so there's a lot more in there than what we need. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take some of the work that we've done in first draft, and I'm going to create our own custom theme, and I'm going to bring you along for the ride. And I wrote a little thing that I want to try out, and I want to I want to try it. Tell me if you think. I'm working to find the building this bot. Cryobot Corey, that's awesome. I have a thing that I want to show you. That doesn't sound, it's not nearly as dirty as that sounds, but it's a thing. So anyhow, let's just do this. So I'm going to go ahead in my themes. I'm going to do a new folder, and I'm going to call this Kevin. Can I call it Kevin with an exclamation point? Because that's going to be the name of this theme, and I'm loving it. Loving it. So in here, I'm going to do a new file. We're going to go, so we need like a style, style.css. We're going to need that. What else are we going to need in there? We're going to need to have an index file, index.php. We're gonna probably need a functions.php in there. We're gonna need we're gonna need a screenshot. Just so happens I have one ready somewhere on my desktop. Let me just find it. Let's go and where's my desktop? Desktop, there it is. Can I just move that right in there? I'm gonna just move that right in there. That's our screenshot. You're welcome, Kev. Greetings, stream. Flex perception, watching from work. Don't tell my boss. Flex is watching from work. Flex, thanks for hanging out with me. If you're a developer, you can probably, to just say that's fine, and you tell your boss that I said it's okay, because I'm here to help. Right. So what else do we need So we're going to need a templates folder. We're going to need a parts folder. So we'll write those right now. So in Kevin, we're going to do a folder called templates. The templates is where, you guessed it, our templates are going to live. And we're going to have one called parts, which is, you guessed it, template parts. Continuing education. Oh, he's out. Perfect. That's perfect. So you're not wearing pants right now, are you? You're watching this in your office, no pants. I don't know, be flattered or weirded out. I love how I just made that up. I just made a whole scenario. Anyhow, whatever. Oh, I think I just lost two viewers because of that last comment. That's fine. That's fine. You know, it's fine. I don't really care. So let's look. All right. So in my CSS, I'm going to just basically. I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna get a bit more real. I'm gonna go steal all the stuff that Justin has in his, and I'm gonna put it in mine. The theme's gonna be called Kevin, and that's not. I don't need that. The best theme for developers on the internet. There we go. That's gonna be it. I'm just gonna get rid of Kevin. I'm doubling down on this for Kev. That's for sure. I don't need this. This is gonna be. I'm gonna put my name in here. Put my name in lights, not Kevin. We'll do that. Okay. So, all right. So I don't even know if this is gonna work, but we'll see. Let's see. So under appearance, if I go to themes, let's see. Do I have? Oh, there's Kevin. There he is. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna activate this, and it's not gonna work because there won't be anything. There we go. So we got nothing. Line 7. Kevin. See, that thing is paid for itself. That free extension is absolutely just paid for itself. That's amazing. Okay, so that was fantastic. Thank you for doing that. I gotta stop checking my phone. I feel like I'm on a date and I'm checking my phone. It's just rude and rude. Oh, Corey, very smoky in Cleveland. So apparently, I live 2 hours north of Toronto in Ontario, Canada, and apparently Toronto had the world's worst air quality yesterday because of all the fires that are in Quebec. It was crazy. It was like it was so foggy here. Well, it was smoke, but it was so smoggy and fog. Like I live in what people would consider a pretty nice, pristine area. It's like small town, you know, lots of lakes and trees and stuff. But man, it was gross yesterday. Gross. So I hope you're all wearing masks and you know, taking care of yourselves out there in the apocalypse. Okay, so here's the thing that I want to show you guys. So I am going to, not that, that's not what I want. Then just go in. I need to do this. I need to open this up in the integrated terminal. Okay, so I wrote a thing, and this thing it's rough. It's on NPM, and you're welcome to use it. But what the idea of this is that I hate. Oh yeah, I bet. I think we're gonna have to change our air filter, like in our house, like probably this week, because it was just so humid and smoke, just gross. Yeah. But my wife just went out and bought some crazy stuff. I don't know what it is. I wasn't there when she bought it, but it's like, you know, the HEPA filters with like level 10, just like, you know, basically barely, like oxygen can barely get through it, you know. Okay, cool. So I wrote this thing. It's a tool that, because I hate dealing with really big, ridiculous theme.json files. So I'm going to run this command, npx, and we're going to do this. And I'm going to run the scaffold. So this is a thing. So what should happen here, if I've written this correctly, is this should create a folder in my directory here called what's it called? It'll be called like theme.json, and inside of that, I'll just show you. So we're gonna run this. Okay. So now what it's done is it's created a bunch of theme.json files in here, and it's kind of in a watch mode now, right? So now I can go in. Well, I saw that there was another one out there, and I think it might be a little bit nicer than what I have going on. I'm not gonna link to it because I'm gonna steal those ideas and add them to mine and pretend they're my own. Because that's what people do, but it validates. So anyway, so now we've got this all these JavaScript files that allow us to basically build out our theme.json, which kind of looks like this, right? I'm not going to steal anything Aruba did, but I will steal this. No, I'm just joking. Anyway, so now this thing's in watch mode. So I want to add stuff. For example, like in settings, if I wanted to set, I don't know, let's see, so we have some color palette stuff. So let's steal that, right? Open source for life. That's right. Open steal. It's more like it, yo. So in my theme.json for the first draft, which I Did I overwrite it? Am I stupid? I overwrote it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This didn't happen. This didn't happen. Oh, that's frustrating. Okay. I don't even think I versioned that, did I? I doubt I even versioned that. Oh, that's super obnoxious that I did that. Yeah, so the comments were definitely a thing that we were trying to figure out ways to get that working. But a side effect of doing it this way is if you want to do really complicated CSS, it's hard to do that in a theme.json file because, you know, it's all one line, right? So this actually allowed us to, by us, I mean Justin. So like in your theme.json, I don't know if you wanted to add like, where's the custom? So like, you know, if you wanted, you could do something like really complicated. He gave me a really great example, which I will try and find sometime. But anyways, you can do that stuff. You can do all kinds of cool stuff in there. So anyways, I'm gonna try to fight through this now. Now let's go back here. First draft. If I activate this, I'm going to post and go. Oh wait, no. Go into editor. Oh, I think I lost all my styles. I did. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay. All right. Well, whatever. Well, that's just an excuse for us to do it again. So in styles, we've got dark Dracula, right? And so in my palette, I'm gonna add these 3 colors. I'm gonna have to go track these colors down again, right? So because I'm a dope, and that's how I am. So in Kevin, we're gonna go into theme.json. We're gonna go into settings. We're gonna go into color, and then I should just be able to I'll just get rid of this top level because I copied in one thing. So auto formats it for me. Now, if we look in our theme, we've got our stuff here. So we should have these colors set. Let's go back to the theme that I want to use. Themes, Kevin, activate Kevin. We should just go into. Why? Weird. So this isn't look. Oh, because it's probably because there's no templates. So we're gonna have to put some templates in here. I think I need like at very least. I think I need like an index.html. I think that is what I need. So let's see. There we go. So without an index.html, the thing won't work. So there's that. So index, go in here, go in here, come in here. You should see my styles. Why is this thing not working? Kev's here. Kevin, thank you for the subscribe. Did my bot not check that? Oh my God, what? Oh, no, it worked. It's in there. Kevin, you're the best. That's why I named my theme after you. Okay, so what's happening? So, okay, so this is the index. I need to get to the front end of this site, visit site. Kevin! Oh, there he is. Kevin's here. Didn't get the email, you went live. Oh, do I email you? I don't know. I didn't know I was even emailing you, Kev. So, well, that's a thing. So in here, we're going to go header.html. We're going to go footer.html. I'm going to keep saying it like that until it drives everyone crazy. Template, no, wait, parts. So in footer and header, we're going to, so I'm stealing some stuff from here. I'm gonna just close all these files down. So in my parts, I'm gonna steal header, footer, and sidebar. We're gonna copy those into my parts directory. What's this? Oh, there's nothing in there. Nothing. Be gone with you. Delete. And this doesn't need to be that. This can go. Okay. And now I think in my theme.json we have our. Oh no, I have to define those parts, right? So we'll do that. We'll come over into our theme.json file here in template parts. We're going to add a new entry. It's going to be called header. No, I can never remember that. That's the thing. The other thing that I need to figure out, and Kevin, you're going to be able to help me with this because you're smart, is I want to be able to, so I can validate. Well, yeah, I do. Yeah, it should be automatic. It should be automatically happening. Not automatic with two T's, just one. So area, okay, so this is what I need. Name. Okay, so it's area, name, and I think the other one was what? Title? Title? Is that what it was? Title. All right, I'm just gonna steal this because this gets overwritten, so I still need this. So in here we're gonna go area. It's gonna be header. Name is gonna be header, and title is gonna be header. And so now this little tool should have that in there. It should. So if we come back in here and I go edit site. Template parts, header. All right, let's do that. So if you're just joining us, which is for Kevin, I wrote a thing that allows me to build theme.json from basically it's a node package that basically builds out theme.json files from individual JavaScript files, and that's what I'm doing right now because it's fun. And so this is gonna be footer. This is also just gonna be footer. This will be footer. Ooh, we'll go footer. This is gonna be sidebar. Bar. Oh, Kevin, I have so much to tell you. Did you hear the parts about me about the channel thing so you can change my theme now? Do you know that that's a thing? And did you also know that I'm calling this theme Kevin? I asked you two questions and you just answered yes to both. Nice. Okay, so what do I got here? So is this doing anything? Let's see. Index is empty. So what did I do for my index over here? I'm just gonna go ahead and steal because I like to steal. It's easy. Templates. So in my index, I'm going to grab all that. Right, because I did a bunch of work on this. Templates, index, paste. Let's just see what happens here. That looks looking interesting. No, get out of here. Okay. So why am I? Oh, I know why. Okay. So in styles, I have to do. What do I have to do? I think there's something that's not. I do this every single time. I break things, overwrite things, and then I don't use it again. Template parts. So styles back. There we go. Okay. So I need to set the background color, the text. So I do that in my styles, right in here. Oh, go away. So what are my settings? We need editor background, editor foreground, editor headlines. Okay, so editor background is going to be the background. Editor color, editor background, and then editor foreground. So the way that these slugs are built out is that it goes WP -- preset -- color, and then the name of the thing that you did. So this should. Oh, you have to do it with a channel. You have to do it with a channel thing. What's the channel points? You have to redeem channel points, Kev. There was a certain guy whose name rhymes with Florence last week or 2 weeks ago that kept changing my theme every 2 seconds, and he was abusing his power, so I made it a channel points thing. But it should be in there. I think, how many points is it? It's like 2,500, which is a lot. I don't know. Is that too many? Tell me if that's too many. But if you do that, you can do that. So that's the thing. That's the thing that you can do. Okay, cool, awesome. All right. So what is the? Oh Only ballers can change it, I guess. Well, you got to be a baller. Aren't you not a baller, Kev? Because if you're not, get out. Just kidding. You're the best. Okay. So, what am I doing? I've overwritten my theme thing. All my points in should composite. Kevin. Oh, man. Well, maybe I can just make it so you guys are if you're subscribers. Let's do a poll. We're gonna do a poll. New poll. Is 2,500 too much? Too many? Many points. Yes. No. Yes. But not for Terrence. All right, how do I do this here? Start the poll. Okay, poll started. You can, you tell me. You tell me what you think. And I can't work this window anymore. It's driving me crazy. Okay, cool. Awesome. You don't want to change it every I don't really want it changing every 5 minutes. I think there's a time. I think there's a setting where I've said you can't update it every 5 minutes. But all right. So I think what I need now is there's that what is setting? Is it what? Yes, this thing. That's the thing I think I need. And I have to add some padding. So this goes under settings. Not in there, in here, settings. I'm gonna add it underneath here. Set that to true. And then this should spit out my, yeah, don't save that. So I think I need to add some padding. I think that's the issue that I need to add. So I'm finding right now, I'm finding that like this is great, this tool. However, I'd like to have the auto sort of complete. Where is that? So I'm gonna go look at I gotta get first draft because I overwrote it all, which is so dumb of me. So if I go into theme.json, yeah, you should be able to see that I got gradients, none of that stuff. I'm gonna do content size like that. Under layout, we should be under settings. So settings, layout. That should give me that. Does this make any changes? Let's see. There we go. There we go. Oh, look at that. We got some spacing. That's amazing. Okay. That is a good setting, but it doesn't really work properly. It works fine on the front end though. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. I gotta look at the spacing, block cap, spacing sizes. There's a lot going on here. Typography. Oh, I wish I hadn't have overwrote that thing because it was kind of dumb of me to do that. Oh, you know what I need now? I need elements for, where are the elements? I gotta look. Color, gradients, palette, custom layout, shadow, spacing sizes. I'm not gonna mess with any of that. Typography, I haven't picked the font yet. Styles, spacing, typography, elements, heading. That's what I want. Under elements, I'm gonna steal all of the, all right. So under elements, which is under, was it styles? Okay, so I gotta jump back over here. So I go styles, should say elements, should be able to just to grab that. And this is, I don't have a font family. I should be able to do what, color? Right? No. Oh man, see this is gonna be a thing. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so color. We're gonna get rid of this. I don't care about the background. Just want the color to be, and I have that set somewhere in settings. I'm gonna go editor headlines. Do that. Styles, color preset, color editor headlines. Let's see. Okay, that works. This does not because those I think are links. So let's go into theme.json elements, link. Okay. Styles. I'm gonna go link. I'm gonna set the same color. I'm just gonna do this. Same thing. Hopefully this works. Don't save it. All right. There we go. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, the root padding thing. I'm kind of liking the root padding thing. Because I think you have to have padding set. I think that's the problem. Justin and I kind of went through this. I think you need to have spacing. Where is spacing? Layout? No. Yeah. Well. Oh, so two people voted for no. That's awesome. How many voted for yes? Let's see. Is the poll done? Let's look. So, no. Okay. Perfect. Fine. There you go. Low engagement. Yeah, it's not really the coolest. It's definitely not the coolest form poll. What am I trying to say? I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. Okay, cool. So here's the thing, Kev. I need your help with this. We can do this later, but I have this tool. What I'd love to be able to do is somehow be able to get, like, I want to be able to do, this isn't going to work because I'm not using JS files, but I'd like to use TypeScript for this so I can do stuff like have the autocomplete. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I'd like. I'd like to be able to be like, have a type for color and then palette and then know what each one of these things is going to be in there. I just don't know how to do it. I was messing around with it a little bit and it didn't really seem to work, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really know. Okay, so what do we got going on here? So this is this. That was what I was trying to do, Corey. I found a library that did it. Do I have all that stuff? I don't know if I have it. I was messing around with this locally in here. So I have types, and then I have like all of this stuff that came in. Now, it didn't entirely work the way I wanted it to. It seemed a bit odd. But the idea would be that like we have these base types. Sorry, do I have my types in here? Yeah, so like I get my settings property, right? And then what I want to do is, do I just I don't know what happened there. I clearly don't have a clue what I'm doing, but what I want to be able to do is have type ahead or prompting, because otherwise it just won't really be too helpful. You'll be jumping around. Like I'd love it is if something was in here and TypeScript said no, you can't use that. So basically the same as if I was editing this file directly. Like if I came in here and I said whatever Kevin, I would get this would tell me that this is not part of the schema, and that's what I want. I basically just want that it's not part of the schema, or that I get prompted for the thing that is. So this kind of stuff, which I believe TypeScript is the answer to do this, because there is a tool. There's a tool that I found that I can validate the schema after it's built, but I don't want to do it then. I want to do it as you're building it, because there's so many items and so many things that you have access to that I kind of want to not do it that way. Know what I'm saying? All right, so let's find the shades of purple color scheme. Which, did I find it in here? I don't remember. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to come in here. I have to, is it styles? There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna go new folder, call it styles. I'm gonna just quite literally steal the one out of here because like that's how I do things. So we have Dracula in there, and then I'm going to change the actual in my styles, in my settings. I'm going to change the colors. So background, I think, is this color. All right. Foreground is what did I use for foreground? Foreground is, I guess, the text color. Yeah. So that would be sort of like, I guess, foreground. Grab that. I don't know what this is gonna look like. And then contrast, I think, was that. So let's jump back over here. Not there. Here. Feel like I'm short a number there. I am. There we go. Nope. This one. There we go. I don't know if that's not bad. What do we think of that color? I don't know if I like that color for text. I think it's a little hard to read. I think maybe what's a comment? That'd be interesting, using comment for it. No, it's hard to read. Hard to read. What's this other one? We'll do that. I don't know. No, not for the JSON file, for the individual. So this tool takes the contents of this theme.json directory, which are all just basically, they're exporting a series of objects or arrays, and then it's taking those and building that and turning it into a JSON file. So that's actually, like, I have that in place. It's working now. But what I'd like to have is some types, so I can have it so when I'm building out these files, that it prompts me and tells me what can actually go inside of here, right? Because that's going to make this a lot better. That's the one real benefit of editing theme.json. Well, there's a lot of benefits, but one really good developer experience benefit from editing the theme.json directly is that you get that prompting because of the schema property, right? But if that only works if your editor supports it. Like VS Code supports that. So because we've got this, like, VS Code does the prompting for that, right? Like, if that didn't exist, I wouldn't get any prompting here, right? Or if I took that out. So that's a theme.json thing. So one thing is cool about if we do it with types, your editor only has to support types to do it, right? It only needs to figure that out. So I mean, I think VS Code has sort of won the editor battle for now. I mean, PHP Storm's still a big one, I think, but lots of people use a lot of different things. So having this tool with types, I think there's probably, I don't know. Actually, I'm rambling, but that's kind of a good. It's a question that I'm wondering now. Is this like, do most editors support the schema property more so than types, or is it about the same? But anyways, that's the idea. You need something to generate types from the schema, then you import them into your configs. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's kind of the idea. I don't know enough about. I just don't work with TypeScript enough. That's my problem. I want it to be like, I want to be good at TypeScript. I'm just not. Stop yelling at me. Oh. All right. I don't think should we. I wonder if I should enter a new, like, if I should make a new what you call it? What's the word I'm looking for here? Like, I wonder if I should just use white for text. You know what I mean? Good thing about TypeScript is you can learn it from your editor, i.e. it warns you when you have something wrong and you fix it. Yeah, it's more the config stuff. Like, I understand TypeScript. I like TypeScript. I get how it works. But it's the configuration stuff. It's the setting up, basically, which I find hard. I find it's just confusing for me. Because I just don't really do it enough to make it kind of worth it, right? So, well, no, I shouldn't say worth it. I just don't do it enough to make it like to make it comfortable is what I'm getting at. Okay, so these things. If I edit this page, I come into here, I edit this. This is bugging me. So I want to edit the footer. So yeah, I want to add the footer, man. Stop messing with me. So who's talking? I guess the hardest part would be knowing what types to import wherever specific to theme.json you're building. Yeah. So there is, like, it's pretty well defined inside of that. I would imagine that I would probably have to manually deal with some of those, I think, you know, but I don't really know. Can I not do anything with this? Let's see. I can't. Apply this block's typography, spacing, dimensions, color styles to all social icons blocks. I wonder, can I make those? Are these colors defined by styles? I wonder. What is it getting? It's a button, SVG. No one can read that. What I'm trying to figure out is I'd like to be able to apply sort of a background color to that. So let's see. Where did I do that? Not in there. In here, blocks. So let's go. What's the name of this block? It'll be core. What's this block called? Inspect. This would be, what is this? Core social link. Okay, so let's go. Core. That will be a string. Core social link. And that'll be an object, and I'm gonna try color. I'm gonna do background. I'm guessing if this is gonna work. I am guessing. Oh no, let's just get out of here. So what does theme.json look like here? So blocks, core, social link, editor headlines. Oh, social links. There we go. See, that's what I need right there. Just knowing, like, the sort of machine. You should probably use ESM rather than C. Yeah, that was the other problem. Oh, there's a reason I couldn't. What was the reason? I think I might have it figured out. But without getting into the weeds too much, what I was doing, and I've changed the way I built it now, so I think I can get away with it. But there was a package I'm using called dcache. Let's just look at it. So in my, is it in here? Yeah. So what I was doing was I was including those files. I think I've actually built it now. Yeah. So now I'm actually just importing them, and then the idea was I would import them, and then it would re-import them every time something changed. So I needed to decache the imports, and it was not working. I couldn't import this directly. It needed to be done in a specific way. But as you can see, I'm in the middle of kind of turning that into something that's actually there. And yeah, so I have to use require. I was using require from it. Anyways, there's probably a better way of doing it. I'm just sort of approaching it in a specific way that's probably going to end up changing. So yeah, anyways. But yeah, I do want to use the imports instead of, CommonJS. Or sorry, I want to use ES modules instead of CommonJS, but I will get there. I'm not quite there yet. Okay, so did that work? Yeah, no, I wanted to do there. Okay, that's a thing. Okay, that is not what I wanted to do. Corey's question about, I hard coded. Yes, so basically, I wanted to have a file that corresponded with each top level item inside of theme.json. So if we look at theme.json and we basically just close down everything, each one of these sections comes. These are wrapped up in what I'm calling base. Quote unquote base, and then we have setting styles, template parts, custom templates, and then there's, I think that's it. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to do. Have a file corresponding to each one. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't import files into other files. So like if you had settings, for example, and you have this massive color, because this is just JavaScript based, you could just import it from another file. So that's kind of where I was going with this. I don't like the module.exports. What I basically wanted to do was be like const, like what is the settings, right? Like this. I just wanted to be a thing, and then X, and then export default, right? I wanted to have default settings like that. That's what I wanted to have, and then this can just be buried way down at the bottom of the file. Done, right? This module.export, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's in place, right? It's all there. It's just I prefer this, and I think this, I don't know if this lends itself better to TypeScript stuff. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, anyway, so it's very much a work in progress. It is available on npm if you want to use it, and there is a repo for it if you want to take a look, which I don't, do I have it here? This is it. This is the repo. If you want to go yell and tell me how crappy I am at writing stuff, you're welcome to, because I am. So what am I doing here? Yeah, so I'm using, I'm requiring stuff. But anyways, there's probably a better way of doing this. Most likely just, anyways, whatever. So that's living. Okay, back to what I'm doing here. So we got, this isn't what I want. So we'll go into style. So if I go text, I wonder if that will, nah, it doesn't work. Oh wait, social link. Let's look, social links color. Okay, so background didn't do it. Background. Yeah, it's not really what I want. Social link. And okay, I'll add that one too and see what that does. Social link. So that's good. That's putting the background on that. And then I'm gonna do like this and see if it does. See what it does. Is it background? So this doesn't seem to be doing anything. Is there a link option in here? Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, well, I don't think I can change these colors, which is a super bummer. A bummer. So we'll have to do some stuff with that. So that is the same color as this. Okay. So now if I go into these, nope, if I go into edit site, I should be able to go manage our template parts. Nope. We go on templates. I only have index. And yeah, let's edit that. Film styles. What do we got here? Where? Why is it not picking that up? Weird. It should be picking that up. I don't know why it isn't. Am I just looking in the wrong place? I'm probably looking in the wrong place. Knowing me. Styles? Topography? Colors? Nope. Layout? This thing? No? Where the hell is it? Huh. Where did that go? Do I have to define that somewhere? Maybe I have to. Do I have to define? I don't have to define that. That seems silly. Right? No. F. Clausen sent me a question on Twitter. You sent me. Oh, I think I just saw it. Actually, I think I saw it just before. Is that the one about full site editing? If so, is that the one I'm thinking of? Let me just check. Let me look. Yes, you did. I read it. I literally read it about half an hour before I streamed. So I'll take a look. iframe in my image no longer works because it does not affect the iframe. It's build tag. I can only reach the body editor styles wherever using it. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at into that a little deeper, but I will definitely take a look at that. Yeah. So that's that. Okay, so why is my Dracula.json not showing up? That's frustrating. That's frustrating. So I should be able to see. Oh wait, hold on. Is it in like a different place or something? No. Nope. Parents editor. Okay. That's really weird. Am I the only one that thinks that this is really weird that I'm not seeing the I am completely not seeing the options to change that. It's getting all this stuff. That's fine. 15 colors. Where are those colors coming from? Oh, right. Okay, because we got all these default ones. So let's maybe turn some of those colors off. I think we don't need that stuff, right? Styles, settings. We're gonna go color. We're gonna go what is it? Default palette is false. Is that colors? Yeah, I totally did that wrong. So what is it? Because I spelled it wrong. Why didn't anyone pick up on that? Oh, you guys. Just kidding. It's all good. I don't know what I'm doing here. All right, so let's see. We'll do this. Colors. Still didn't work. All right, let's just go to the theme.json. Wow, that's because it's not. What the deuce? What the deuce is right? Default palette. What did I spell it wrong? Oh yeah, there's only one L in palette. And there's two T's. Paletti. Well, that's embarrassing. Nope. Get out of here with your typography. I pressed the wrong thing. Colors. There we go. So we got three colors. We got these things. We have gradient. We're going to turn the default. We're going to turn default gradient off. No, that's the wrong thing. We're going to go like this. Default gradient. Now, is it with an S? I guess we'll soon see. It is. Okay. Yeah, we'll write. Okay, that's fine. Build that out. That's done. So I should have no gradients in here, any more colors. We should have, yeah. Okay, so there's like, okay, so there's no custom. What? Oh, there's no, okay, so that's adding custom. And then here's the duotone, which is it actually building duotone stuff out? I don't know, whatever, okay. But I'm still like, find it super weird that I don't see. This is, like, I should be able to switch. I do, Kev. Yeah, it's just bang line and then the line number. So that's what that is. Okay, so styles. Is there something I have to enable for styles? This is really messed up, man. Okay, so let's look in first draft. Just in functions. That's nothing I need in there. Style CSS, yeah. Templates, okay. That's a thing. Maybe I'm gonna try just disabling this theme maybe and then re-enabling it. Sometimes, every once in a while, that seems to be a thing. Activate, editor, here. Man, that's weird. I don't know. There's gotta be something stupid I'm not doing. Need that. Need that. Parts. Styles. Dracula.json. Did I just name something weird? Style. Dracula.json. Oh, get out of here. What's title? You might not specifically need it, but you can add a name to the style.json. Style.json. Where? In here? This thing? Yeah. Right? Oh. Is that why? That was weird. Why would that be wrong? Scary theme variation. All right, so let's just see if that does something. Okay, well, I'm going to switch over to the other theme. First draft, activate that, go into the editor and see if, yeah, browse styles. So styles are showing up. This must be something I'm not setting correctly. And the same thing was with this twitchy theme. There's not much going on with this one. Let's look. Do I need this? Theme styles? I don't know why that would be the case, but let's look. Okay, so in functions, I'm gonna put some PHP in there apparently. We'll get rid of that. Why is this yelling at me? Why is it? Okay. All right. I don't know. I didn't think you needed that, but maybe you do. Maybe you do. I just don't know what the hell I'm doing. It's like, it wouldn't be the first time. Wouldn't be the first time. No. Okay. Isn't it fun coming to my streams and just watching me like have no idea why something isn't working? Like none. Because I have no idea why this thing isn't working. Huh. It's very weird. Custom does it. Like, I'm just gonna delete this. I'm going to literally steal that out of there and refresh this. I don't think this is gonna matter. It doesn't show up. Okay. Okay. Well. Why? Well, let's look. Block styles. No. Function helpers. No. Assets. And I'm looking to see if there's a potentially a like I don't, is there like a theme supports or something that I have to add? This seems weird. Register blocks. Okay, we're registering block. Yeah, block styles. Okay. Register block style. Yeah, we don't do that. No. Function helpers. This is. Yep. Okay. Nope. What's in here? This register block pattern category. Okay, no. So functions. Group it, build, get up activity, get parent, get first draft. There's nothing. There's nothing. I'm just gonna double check because I did the same thing in here. Styles. I'm going to just take these and copy them into here because I don't know why. Like I should just be able to do this actually. Let me call this test. No, get out of here. Where are we? Test. And then in here we'll call it test. Tset. TZ. I'll get there. And then, okay. I don't know, it's not working. All right, let's look. Is there anything? So there's like nothing else in here. The color palette. Right? That should be just totally fine. I should just replace it. Wait, hold on. Let me just make sure I'm in the right place. Okay, so in here I got this. This should just work. Now let's look. Let's see. Am I getting any errors? I didn't actually check to see if I'm getting any errors. I don't think I am. Doesn't look like anything's actually failing. Variations. What's this? Global stuff. Oh, what's this? Not found. Okay. Huh? Oh, interesting. Why would that fail? Oh my god. Oh my god, I think I know what it is. Want to know? It's because I used an exclamation point. I bet that's breaking it. I bet you're currently... What? Oh no. Let's go back. It's themes. We're going to activate Kevin. Ah, that's it. I was trying to be all funny and use Kevin in the folder name, and it clearly didn't like that. So look at this. Now we got this, we got this. I got all these things. These don't do anything. Kevin! Dracula test, default. Okay, why is it so zoomed in though? I don't like that. Why are you zooming in? That was weird. Just do this. And then it zooms back out. So let's do block book. And turn off this stupid spotlight mode. Okay, we did it. We fixed it. Kevin failed me again. Oh, Kevin. That's sad and funny. You're the best. Okay, well now that we're like way into this thing and I've got 0 accomplished. All right, I can get rid of test.json now. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, cool. So let's get back. I'm gonna add some more colors into my palette. I think that is what I want to do. So in my settings, I wonder if I should just should I just take all of these colors? Like, do I want to use this stuff? So templates, definitions, invalid, def added, diff removed. I don't know. Hover background. Background dark. What? Oh. I don't know. Contrast light 2. Highlight. Comment. Template, strings. Maybe I should use, would it be weird if I used that color? Let's look at this. Would it be weird if I use that color for, what did I just do there? Yeah, sure, reload, why not? What? No, get out of here. Does it not build? What is going on here? Editor. Oh, I think I overwrote it. Oops. How do I clear that now? That's an interesting dilemma. I think these are stored in the database. Oops. This editor foreground shouldn't be that color anymore. Oh crap. Okay. So themes. If I switch this and I switch back, is this gonna make any difference? No. Okay. Okay. So how can I remove that? That's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah, the change is coming to patterns. So are you talking about the ability to save patterns? Like we're now calling reusable blocks and patterns are now sort of the same thing. Is that what you're meaning? Would it be in options? Let's just see. I can't even remember. Back to plugins. What is it? It's something called. It's called something. Yeah, sure. I don't even know where this is stored. I'm looking for. I want to get rid of all the theme mods. Menu locations, theme mods, Twitch theme. No, what's theme mods, theme switch? Kevin. I'm gonna edit this. What is this? Delete. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that. That's what I'm gonna do. There's the weird, man. Why is that not updating? Okay, so so in my settings, I've set that, and so in my theme.json, I should have the same. I don't have the same color. Let's change this, I guess. Did that stop building? It did stop building. Oh, because I'm ls. Where am I? CD. CD Kevin. Now I'm gonna run my command. Amazing when that happens when you break stuff. It really is amazing what happens when things. Oh, not there. Okay, so that should. That should be the same color. Okay, so this I probably didn't need to delete all that stuff. Okay, I don't think I like that for text. I think that's too hard to read. All right, so let's put that back to what it was, which I think should be this one. Or I feel like I should use white. Yeah, being able to create patterns in the editor has been a feature missing for way too long. Yeah, I agree. There was a plugin. There's plugins that have done it for a while. I think we needed to it needed to be kind of like fleshed out and solidified, like, you know, the API solidified and everything before we started doing that. But yeah, it's coming. It's Gutenberg 16.1 just came out, I believe, and that's part of it. So now you can save that stuff, which is great, into your library. So it makes life even simpler for that stuff. Will you go through that next week? Yeah, I need to. I owe a bunch of versions. I'm going to go through that version next week for sure. That'll be my. I'll start with that. We'll see how far we get into it, And then I should probably, I can't even remember the last version I kind of reviewed was, but I should probably just do like a Gutenberg extravaganza. Oh, he's here! I knew it! I knew he'd come and do this. This is the whole reason you install this stupid theme. I love it. It's awesome. Terrence! He just like sneaks in like a ninja and just changes it. This is the worst. And now he's just like, oh, he just comes in here and just ruins everything. It's the worst. Didn't need channel points. You should. Did you use all your channel points, Terrence, on that? Oh, wait a minute. There's no way. How are you getting past this? Have I made you a mod or something? Does it just work? Let's see. Theme random. I'm going to type it and see what happens. Oh, it works when I do it. All right. Someone else, Kevin, you try theme random. Oh, it works. Oh, so you don't need channel points. I thought you needed. Maybe I didn't set it up right. Well, that's cool. That's fine. I don't care. I'm gonna look at my extensions here. What is this theme? I gotta just. Oh, you guys are gonna drive me nuts. Okay, so where do I install themes? Food or install? Not the. Where's that thing? Where's that thing? Twitch themer. Okay, where are my extensions? Details. I thought I had set this up as a let's go into my settings. This would be what? Twitch themer. What do we got? Okay, so followers. Okay. Careful, Terrence. This one's for you. Dark. Okay, what is this? This is my channel. Huh. You're allowed to use the extension by a Twitch chat. Oh, so people who are following me can do that. I think I'm going subscribers, folks. I'm going subscribers. Now you should. Maybe I'll just turn off the channel thing. That's weird because there should be. I thought it didn't work unless I had the channel stuff set up. Oh, themer. Huh, okay. Well, that's interesting. I thought I made it. So what is this? Yeah. Oh, whatever. I'll just leave it. No, not there. I'll leave it to followers for now. Yeah, you're not going to install themes. I'm not going to let you install themes. No, Terrence, you can do it. I think you have to turn the access state off if you want it to only. Where's the access state? Did I miss something? I don't think you can turn it off. Okay, let's try something. No. Does anyone have is anyone subscribed that has 2,500 points? Or is there anyone? I don't know how this works. This looks like we're not that rich. Okay, hold on. I'll just change it. I'm just gonna change it. Just gonna change it in Twitch. 1 second. I'm just gonna make it work here. And I gotta go up here. Dash, no. Yeah, here we go. So community, view rewards. Here we go. Channel points. Okay, so where are my channel points? Where are my channel points? All right, we're gonna change the channel points. We're gonna change it from 2,500 to. Does anyone have 500? You cheap bastards. All right, so now there's 500, right? Yeah. Kevin, you always have good ideas. Okay, but what I want to check is if. Okay, so now theme command shouldn't work. All right, fine. I'll install it. I don't know. Okay, doesn't matter. That's fine. So anyone that's following should be able to run it in chat. But if anyone who is... Okay, so any subscribers should be able to do this in chat. But if there's anyone following, Terrence, if you're following, do you have 500 chat points or channel points? Because try to redeem it if you can. Or I'll set it lower if you don't have enough. I don't know. I need someone who's not a subscriber who has enough points to redeem it to see if it works. There we go. Did that work? Okay, so that worked. Okay, so that's what I want. So we're gonna let subscribers do it whenever they want, and then followers have to redeem a channel point. That's what we're doing! Yay! So awesome. Do you pausing the theme on? Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, this is awesome. So in the meantime, I'm going to say shades. What was it? I don't even know how to do it. Theme. Oh no. Theme. Shades of. Oh, that's super dark. I'm setting it back. I'm setting it back, you punks. Yes. Just so you know, theme.json is the reason we are reducing theme abuse. Oh, well, I was doing a couple things. No, I appreciate you hijacking my stream so I can test my integrations. What I was doing was I basically doing a theme. I'm taking out theme, and I'm working on this tool that it basically builds out theme.json files dynamically based on a bunch of JavaScripts in here. I didn't finish the GitHub block. We'll get to that later, but what I was thinking about was adding in some more of these colors. I don't know. I think I wonder if I should just white for the text, you know? Like, I don't know if I like text, like if I just do color, I just do white. Like, I think that looks a little nicer, right? I think that's a little bit easier to read. Would you agree? Would you agree? And then, because white's always going to be defined, but is that going to make sense for, no, I wouldn't. Well, what color would you put in there? What color did I have in here? I had that color. So maybe we'll do that one to keep Terrence happy. Black, I'm doing black. Get out of here. You're such a troll. Okay, enough of your shenanigans. Shenaniganery. Yep, that's what I'm saying. All right, so what does this thing need? Okay, so we got some basic styles, right? So we could go through and we could look at the template. We could look through our block thing here. So there's a lot going on here. Like, what do we got? Media. I mean, this all looks fairly good. The call to actions, the buttons, I hate that color. We're gonna make that, what are we gonna make that? Let's go. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna go core button, right? I'm gonna do color, not link, or this whatever, or the background. See what that does. Start messing with some colors here. Oh, I hate how I can't just redo that. That's obnoxious. Ooh. Now, clearly, we're going to need text as well. And we're going to reverse them because that's what we're going to do. What we're going to do. There we go. That looks nice. I like that. That looks good. What? No. Why is it a group of white background? Okay, so the page break, the separator. I think the separator should be that yellow color. Can you add my username somewhere on the page? Can I add? What? No? Why? What do you have planned? I don't trust you. Like here? Like that's what you want? Like that? There we go. Huh? There you go. In the Gutenberg editor. I don't want to add that. No, yeah, sure. Okay. I'll do that somewhere. I just want to get some of these things. So the separator, what block is this? So we're going to go core. What do you think we call that thing? The separator block? Separator. And we're going to go color. I don't know. Just think maybe background. Oh no, it's gotta be a object. Background color. Oh, that looks nice. I like that. Can't remember how to unhighlight a line. Oh, how do you unhighlight a line? You have to do it. How do you do it? Oh, I think it's in settings, right? I think it's highlight. Twitch highlighter. There's a way of doing it. I can't remember what the commands are. Just type this. It should show you something. Did that work? It didn't work. I got to look at the extension. I can't remember. I think it's right here. We'll find it. Not that thing. Twitch highlighter. Here we go. Getting started. Blah 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 blah. Twitch commands. Unhighlight. Oh, so you use line and then you use exclamation point and then the line number and that'll make it go away. So we can test that somewhere. So we can go like this. Line and then 37. Did I not do that right? Why doesn't it work for me? It works for Corey, but I think you have to do your own. I think if you wrote your own, then that works. But I think it had to be because did you highlight line 33? Because I didn't. I can also remove this. I can do it. So try highlighting 33 and then unhighlight it and see what happens. Or any line. Here, I'll leave this open. Line 38. Now, Terrence, unhighlight that if you can. Because I can't. I'm pretty sure if I do it, it won't work. Line 38. I think that won't go away. No. It won't. It'll only do it, I think, now Terrence does it. There we go. So it only does your own. Or I can just clear them all here. Awesome. Okay, so separator. I think we need to do the same thing. We're gonna do a couple more of these. So what is this? Is it pay? I'm gonna call it more. I don't know the name of the block. That's the thing. We're gonna see here in a second. Let's go design. Oh no. Oh, that's not it. Interesting. So if I go text, maybe. I think this is where things get a bit janky. That didn't work. Okay. Well. do not check code mode. I don't know what you're saying. Code mode? Oh, code mode? Oh, yeah, like, so I'm like, I have to go into a page and do that. But yeah, we could do it that way. We could, like, just go in, oh God, what am I doing? Yeah, like a new page, for example. And I could put a, elements, I guess. I can do it this way. I can do a more block, boom. I can do, what was that thing called? Separator, block, page break, maybe? Okay, so we'll publish this. So if I look at this now, do I not have a page? I don't think I have it. I don't have a single template. That's an issue. So let's get that done. Let's put a single template in there. So I just got index. It's weird though that I don't have. Okay, well, whatever. So let's go into templates. And we'll go single. We'll just copy single into here. I don't know what this is going to look like. Templates. Index. Manage templates. So what is this? Single. Okay, so we're gonna delete this. Oh, I did a page, right? I removed that template part. Okay, I'm gonna do that in here. So we should have. Oh my God. Okay. I'm going to do this a different way because single. Let's go like this. Index. This is gonna be single. I'll do the same for page, I guess. And we'll just see what happens here. Oops. Where am I? Where am I? View page. This is super weird. Templates, page. Do I not have a? Oh, well, that'll do it. Okay, so let's go. Why don't I need to add a template in here? Template part. Choose. We're gonna go with header, and I'm gonna go template. Okay, if we can type that properly. Template. We're gonna put the footer in. Choose footer. Save. It's really weird. View page. That's seeming to be fine. Interesting. Page template, and then inside of this, what do I have? I had like a group block. No. Did I do a group block? I can't remember. Oh yeah. Yeah, we did that over here. That doesn't seem right. Oh, put a little query loop advanced in there. Sure. But no, that's not what I want. Is that what I want? I don't know. What template is this using? Templates. Page. Well, I'm super confused. All right, remove a row. Okay, let's just manage our templates here. Manage all templates. Page. Looks like that. You got too many things going on here. Hold on. Leave this. Leave this. What's this? This is a page, right? View page. It's weird that I'm not getting any content. Oh. Is it weird that I'm not getting any content though, or is it because there actually is no content to display? I don't. You're asking the wrong guy. I don't fucking clue what I'm doing. Ooh, sorry. What, Terrence? What'd you say? I can see the temp. Okay, so that's my page. So I should be seeing a page in here. Go to the actual post, edit page. Okay. Oh, and the summary up here, right? Yeah. So that's weird. Okay. So I got 2 columns. So just insert something above this. Let's go insert before, and we're gonna call it test. Sure. And then where's the element? View. It's not loading the right template. It's not loading the right template. So annoying. View this one. This is loading the right template, right? So let's just edit this page. Although it's not really showing everything in here. Oh, I know why it's not doing it. Okay, hold on. View page, edit page, not page. Stupid, Ryan. Edit site. This is because I need post content, not in here. So column. This is not query loop. This becomes post content, post template, right? Right? I need a temp. I need the in here query loop. Like I need basically that, right? Post template, group, excerpt, post date, post title, post excerpt. In here I need to add post content. Post content. I'm editing the index page. I think I'm completely editing the wrong template. Oh, this needs to end. This is wrong. I don't know what is going on here. All right, I gotta go into manage all templates. It's weird because I can't. It's saying that there's like edited templates, but there really isn't. So I need to do all this. Yeah, I probably should be able to take out the query loop, eh? So remove that, and then I insert. I don't know if I can get out post content though. No, I can't. I need a template. I need a query loop. I need a query loop because the query loop is like the loop, right? That you would do, and then oh my god, what's going on here? Why can't I insert? I want the query loop block. Start blank. I'm gonna go whatever thing, and then it's gonna be inherit template, and in here. Oops. Oh my god, so annoying. Okay, in my post template, I don't want that, or this, or this. I want to be able to add the content. Post content. Post content. There we go. Inside of here, I don't need the date because Dates, whatever. Or maybe I do need to date. I don't really care. So we're gonna save this. Yeah, no, I need to post. I need it because it won't work otherwise. It won't work otherwise. Okay. All right. You want me to put that right there? Is that what you want? Is that what you want me to do? I'll put it right there. And you're probably right. Probably right. This doesn't seem to be using the right page template though. No, get out of here. God, I cannot believe I'm having such a hard time doing this. This is using that right template. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Cancel. Pages. Leave. View. Still not loading it. I think the theme is overriding the template. That's what I think too. However, the problem I'm running into is I think I got too many pages open, too many things happening. So if I go in here and manage my templates, you can see it's not even telling me that this particular page is like this has still got that in there. So let's, oh, wait a minute. Don't save. Don't save. Why is all this stuff open? Page. So where is the pagination, post template, post title, post excerpt? All right, let's try this again. All right, in here, we're gonna edit this. I'm gonna do this in columns, in here, in query loop, post template. I'm gonna add content, post content. So that should go in here. I just get rid of this, right? This is what you're saying should happen. I don't believe you, because it's not happening. But there's a more link. Well, no, because I've saved it. Like this should be saved. I think there's something weird going on with like my single maybe and my page. I don't know. This is frustrating. No. Delete your custom templates in your theme. Delete my custom templates in my theme. I don't have any. You talking about? Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this single because I don't think I need that. I'm gonna just rename this something because I don't want to get rid of it, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Manage all template parts. Something's going on. Something weird's caching is going on here. But I actually have to leave because I have a meeting I have to go to right now. But it has been an absolute pleasure and an honor as usual. I know, sorry Terrence, we'll show up on time then and you know, you can hang out with us. But theme random, there you go. There you go. Okay. Yes, thank you. Anyways, cool. So I'm gonna sign off. I have to go to an internal meeting. But you're playing tennis, okay. Awesome. All right, well, anyways, thanks everyone for hanging out with me. I didn't upload last week's stream because it kind of fell off the rails getting into this stuff, which I think is hilariously awesome. But I'll take a look and see if there's anything in there when I edit this together. And as usual, it is always awesome hanging out with you. And thank you so much. How can you... Oh, I just don't even care anymore. Just change the theme. I'm just gonna block you if it gets ridiculous. But anyhow, I'm gonna see y'all later. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content about Gutenberg and WordPress development.